Hello, this is a very quick look at the Somfy Connexoon. This is a tiny little box that you can use to automate your Somfy electric blinds. The little box has a network connection on the back as well as a couple of buttons, and it's powered via USB. You will need to hardwire this into your network. It doesn't have Wi-Fi on board. There's a pin on the bottom to help you get this set up with the app. I set this up myself. It wasn't set up by the person installing my blinds, and I found it quite easy. You can see it can be used with a range of Somfy devices, different types of blinds and setups, and the app itself talks you through how to get this all connected. So I had to use this little button on the back to put the included remote into programming mode, and once I'd got the blind added, it did a test, and that just lowered the blind so you knew that it was working. Didn't take me too long. I had 3 blinds to do. Once you've figured out how to do it once, you'll be able to then name each blind so you know which one's which. I've had the system fitted for about a month now. You don't have to have it at the point of sale. I chose to get everything in one go. You can just use the normal remote to open and close the blinds, but I really like the way that the Connexoon works. It means that the blinds are totally automated. I've set up a schedule, they open and close whenever it's sunrise or sunset, and you can have different schedules depending on what you're doing. So if you're going away on holiday, you might want to disable them, or when it gets darker or lighter, you may want to reverse that so that when it's really light during the day, they close while you're out to keep the room cool. The blinds themselves were fitted by shuttersandblindsuk.co.uk, and I'll put a link to their website in the description below. You won't find them on the Somfy website. That's a real shame because the people that are on there I didn't actually find to be that good. When I interacted and got a quote, they were very expensive and they didn't really know what they were talking about when it came to these blinds and the technology behind them. At the time of review, there is no integration with something like Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or even the Logitech Hub, which is a real shame as it'd be great to be able to hit watch a film and have the blind shut as part of that setup process. When I did contact Somfy, they said that there's no plans for the Logitech Hub, but they may do the Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and they think it's already with the Tahoma, I think that's how you say it, smart home system, which apparently is a bit more upmarket, a bit more premium, and it's built in to that already. If you've got these blinds and you're using one of these remotes or just a little button on the side, I definitely recommend taking a look at the Connexoon, especially if, like me, you've got 3 blinds, so I've got 3 going across, and although this one remote will control all 3, if you've got them in different places, it's great to be able to just click a few buttons, set up a schedule, and not have to worry about it. They just open and close when you want them to. I'll put links in the description below if you want to learn more. I hope you found this short review useful. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I'll see you next time.